Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to live transcribe your online meeting so that you can just relax and focus on the conversation that's happening without having to worry about taking notes. First, start by pasting your meeting link into Reduct and then click on Invite Bot. This will allow Reduct's transcriber to join and transcribe your meeting as it happens. Now once your meeting starts, the host will have to admit Reduct's transcriber, and once in, it will immediately start live transcribing your meeting. You can also see the transcription in real time right here in the app. As you can see, it is just transcribing the words that I'm saying. Pretty cool, right? Highlight such cool important parts from your meeting by just selecting the text or leave a comment for your teammate. After your call is over, Reduct will import and save the recording as well, which you can export along with the transcript by just clicking this button over here. Or if you would like, simply share it via link and anyone with the link can watch it without having to download it. And that's it. Try Reduct's live capture and make the most of your meeting by focusing on what's important. Thank you so much for watching.